up, AG fam? Guess where I'm at?
Maui.
Where?
Maui.
Where?
Maui.
Just touched down in Maui, y'all. First day here. I'm here for like a week. Here for my cousin's wedding. Here to enjoy the island. It's been a minute since I've been here. Yo. Chill.
Hello, we're here.
Hello.
Hawaii at last, finally.
On the way to get our rental cars. Finally out here, got the cars. First stop in Maui, y'all. We're over here at Jesse's Shrimp. You know, we parked over there, you know what I'm saying, on the side of the road. About to get these grinds in. So excited, y'all. I'm hella hungry. Let's get it. So as you can see, there's no tables, but we got the benig, aka the Filipino picnic floor mats, you feel me? Check it out, guys. We got the hot and spicy shrimp from Justy's. Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm over here at the Airbnb, you feel me? With Banji. We're finally here at our hostess spot, you know, at Lahaina Front Street. And we're here about to get down with the get down. User!
It's certified smack. Follow that. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, YouTube? This is AG Mendoza, and I'm sorry, this is not a schmacking video, but oh shit, we're drinking. Love you, bye.
Wait, how do I stop this?
She for sure needs to see.
Hey, I don't know how to stop this, Jeff.
What camera is this? M50? Oh damn, I wanted to buy this camera.
How do you stop? How do you stop it?
What up, y'all? Haven't been vlogging because we've been super busy with KR. That's my cousin, his wedding. But we out here. We just got back from Foodland. Hawaii is home for poke, baby. We have the salmon, some spicy mayo, ahi shoyu, some rice, and people grubbing.
Hey, you gonna get... Oh, let it all touch the plate, y'all. Come on now.
We got JP setting up the design.
Y'all like,
Serious out here.
y'all not even letting it touch the plate. I was like, yo, y'all gotta even this shit out. You know, when you let it all touch the plate, it all aesthetically makes it easier to space out.
It's all evenly spaced out.
Look how good that looks.
Good job, guys. Currently day 3 in Maui. Yo, we've been busy this whole trip. Had my cousin's wedding yesterday, but today we finally get some free time to do some beach things, some Maui things. Finally, feel like I'm beach deprived. We got Nicole hella dancing. We got my cousin Alan. Y'all wanna follow this? Nicole Mappa and Alan Poggers. About to get some breakfast at Kihei Cafe. Let's get it. Currently in line, about to get our food. I'm about to get a local mofo wrap. Shit. Cashier gave us a complimentary chocolate chip macadamia nut cupcake muffin. Finally out here in Kihei Cafe, y'all. Finally trying it out. Had it bookmarked on Yelp for a minute. Hungry, y'all. About to go to the beach right after this. I've been beach deprived for like this whole trip. We've been so damn busy, but finally. We got the Loco Moco on deck.
I knew it. You did, huh?
Reap.
A little pork muscle.
Some Spain. Yo, Mark Wines, this one's for you.
Really?
Loco Moco has the burst of flavor that pop in your mouth. It's that white chocolate macadamia nut mocha.
Nothing mocha.
Ooh. Ooh. Banana macadamia nut pancakes with the coconut drizzle, y'all. Let's see how much flavor is in this. It looks like it's packed with some Ono deliciousness. Yo, let's get a big bite, y'all.
Behind the scenes. AG Mendoza. No, I want a small bite.
Choo choo.
I changed my mind.
Last bite.
Babe. YouTube live.
Oh, no. The chicken is trying to eat. Where you go? Look at all these chickens.
Look at all these chickens.
Oh.
My turn. Behind the scenes with AG Mendoza. YouTube live. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, I know. Schmack.
The corned beef is so tender. It doesn't seem like there's more grease added to it. It's just that natural grease from the corned beef.
See what you make.
The potatoes are very tender as well. Cut through them with a fork. Like I don't even have to try. Like I gotta try a little bit with that one.
Finally going to the beach. Currently in a big beach, McKenna National Beach. Finally gonna get some waves to wash me out so I can clean my puet. Yeah! This one's going for all of my Okoloi guy. All my brothers in the area. Yo, what up, guys? Post beach vibes. We got some Tomura's fresh poke. We have the Fresh Island shoyu.
Super fresh.
With the onions, bruh. The spicy ahi. She got the same thing, but I got brown rice. She got the
why.
She got the why. Taking a look, guys. Literally like five minutes away from my Airbnb, but we're just like getting some pre-luau because we're about to go to a luau later. Pre-luau meals to satisfy the tummies.
Let me open my drink.
Nicole got the Lily Koi Passion. The Calamansi Sweet Lime. Grinds.
Fire.
Cheers, y'all.
What'd you get, Len?
Cheers.
Oh, sorry. Cheers. What'd you get?
Oh my god, Brad, this is so good.
The calamansi?
Yeah, it tastes like calamansi.
Oh. No. He just got the fresh ahi. He just said
Look
it.
at that bite. The shoyu, it's not the best shoyu that I've tasted in this island.
It's okay.
I actually like Foodland actually better than this, but
Show you.
the shoyu.
The spicy?
I mean, it's because I like my shoyu like super like sauced up. With shoyu sauce.
Oh, this one's a little bit more naked then.
Yeah.
It is. I like it marinated with a lot of sauce, the soy sauce.
The spicy though is really good.
This is hella good though,
Let me
guys.
try it.
Hold on.
Let me try it.
Alright, I'm gonna try yours then.
Tastes like calamansi.
You like mine better?
No.
Ah. Good morning, Hawaii.
Good morning, Hawaii.
It's our last day currently here in Maui, y'all. It's Sunday, and we're about to do the road to HANA today. It's the hike with the waterfalls, the bamboo forest. I've never been there, so I don't even know.
Yes, you have.
I haven't been in the actual.
We went to Red
hike.
Sand Beach. That was one of the stops.
About to get some on-the-go breakfast from McDonald's, some spam and egg McMuffins, and some hopia pies. We're about to switch into the GoPro cam. Whoosh. Change of plans, guys. We're switching on to the iPhone cam because I freaking forgot my SD card for my GoPro, y'all. We'll be out here. Twin Falls. Second stop, we here at the bamboo forest, y'all. Man, everything's looking beautiful. I'm hella burnt. Look at this. The Twin Falls was hella beautiful. We had it all to ourselves. Now we about to hit this forest and kick some bamboos. Woo! Currently packing up because we are about to head to the airport and head back to the bay now. Had a beautiful time out here in Maui. Didn't get to vlog too much because of the schedule. I tried to get as much content as I can, and I hope you guys liked the video. See y'all back in the bay. Life of AG, Hawaii. Chew! Check it out though. Got the supplies going back. The supplies going back, y'all. We out.